Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the bitrate on OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your OBS app on your computer. Once the application launches and you can see your main dashboard, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll notice the File menu there. Go ahead and click on File, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up the settings window where you can configure various aspects of your OBS setup, including the crucial bitrate settings that affect your stream or recording quality. Once the settings window opens, look at the left panel where you'll see a list of different categories. Click on Output to access all the encoding and recording options. This is where you'll find all the settings related to your video and audio output quality, which directly impacts how your final stream or recording will look to your viewers. Now, in the output settings, you need to navigate to the video bitrate option. Right beside it, you'll see a small up and down arrow that allows you to adjust the value. You can either click these arrows to incrementally change the bitrate, or you can click directly into the text field to manually type in your desired value. This gives you precise control over your streaming quality and helps you balance between video quality and your available internet upload speed. Here's where understanding bitrate becomes important. Your bitrate choice depends on the resolution and frame rate you're targeting. For example, if you want to stream or record at 720p resolution with 30 frames per second, you should set your bitrate between 2500 and 4000 kilobits per second. This range ensures smooth playback without putting too much strain on your internet connection. If you're aiming for a higher quality 1080p stream at 60 frames per second, you'll need to set your bitrate between 4500 and 6000 kilobits per second. This higher bitrate accommodates the increased resolution and frame rate, providing sharper and smoother video output for your audience. For those looking to stream or record at an even higher quality of 1440p at 60 frames per second, you'll want to set your bitrate between 12,000 and 18,000 kilobits per second. Keep in mind that this requires a very strong internet connection and more processing power from your computer, but it delivers exceptional visual quality. Once you've entered your preferred bitrate value based on your streaming goals and internet capabilities, it's time to save these changes. Look at the bottom right of the settings window and click Apply. This confirms your new bitrate settings. Then click OK to close the settings window and return to your main OBS interface. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the bitrate on OBS to match your streaming or recording needs. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.